Waitangi, translating welcome to the birthplace of our nation here in Waitangi. My name is Hinenui Te Pō, but you're most welcome to call me Dawn. It is a lot easier to pronounce. Kia ora, good morning and welcome. You're most welcome. We're going to start our culture performance with the traditional Māori welcoming, known as a haka Pōwhiri in our language. The purpose of our ceremony is to determine your intentions as our visitors, whether or not you come in peace or otherwise. How are we feeling this morning?
Fine, peaceful.
Pretty good, fine. How about peaceful? Fantastic, and I'm glad you're feeling pretty good and fine as well. Welcome once again. Now warriors are going to come forth from the meeting house to challenge you, our guests. One of our warriors is going to offer a token of peace. Now it is our job as the visitors to accept that peace token, letting our peaceful intentions be known. However, before I go any further, gentlemen, I do need a chief for our tribe this morning. Only one male volunteer. Ladies or our young ones, you are most welcome to give these men a little bit of a push to the front. It is called voluntold. Gentlemen, do we have a volunteer? Come on, ladies, give these men a bit of a push. Don't be shy, I'll catch on the side. Fantastic. Kia ora. Kia ora, Chief. Can I ask your name? Turn around, face the tribe, Chief. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like to introduce you to your Chief, Chief Martin. Come here, please give a big round of applause. Thank you very much, Chief Martin, for accepting the role of being Chief for our tribe this morning. Thank you very much for having the courage. Now, Chief, your role is very important and very simple as well. Once the warrior has laid down the token of peace, I'll let you know when to step forward to uplift the token. We'll move back to our group so that we can travel as one tribe. You will hear the call of welcome from our beautiful maiden. This is known as a Karanga. I'll reply on your behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, once you start the call, we'll slowly proceed towards the meeting house. However, please do not come in front of Chief Martin, as he is the leader of the tribe. From here, we will make our way inside the meeting house. Before we enter through the doorway, we do ask that you remove your shoes. You are most welcome to leave them up on the veranda as well. We'll make our way inside the meeting house with myself and Chief Martin. We'll make our way towards the stage. Also, this part of the ceremony is very traditional, formal and serious. Please keep it as quiet as possible. No laughing or smiling or any little sudden movements, as this may distract our warriors. Fantastic, Chief.
Oh, Kahiwara, ki tēnā tuku. Kahiwara ki tēnā tuku. Kia tū, kia oho, kia matara. Hata mon ka tutai, waihi, hau. Sphere! Hau, 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 hau. Spoo! Hau, 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 hau. Spoo! Spoo!
ceremony. Thank you very much for accepting the peace token. On behalf of your newly acquired tribe, thank you, Chief, your courage. Job well done. Kia ora.